Okay, I had some requests to solve the very largest number set for first grade. So if you want to check out this portion of the video, please stay. The largest number set is 248 plus 324 plus 132. Please note, this is extremely important. Please note that I did not stack them like this because the children are not going to know how to stack and add, nor do we want to teach them how to do that because right now, what we're doing is teaching them how to work in base 10. So their understanding of making 10. So we're hoping that they're going to join that 8 and that 2. And then usually from there, they're going to work through the hundreds because it's easiest to hold the largest number in your head. So we don't want to stack them up and teach them the process of addition. We will eventually teach them that, just not right now, right? Okay, so we're going to skip that part. Thank you, parents. All right, so 248 plus 324 plus 132. The first thing you might do, since these numbers are pretty large, is ask your child to make an estimate. So what do we think it might be around? So this is close to 250. Let's just round this to 300. It's close to 300, and this is close to 100. So let's see, 200 plus 300 plus 100. That would be 600, and then I could add in that 50. So it's going to be around 650 or 700 because I know that this is close to 50 as well. So making an estimate is really important because these numbers are large for first graders and can be difficult to handle. All right, so one thing they may do is when they're solving this, they may take the 2 out of 132 and turn it into 130 and 2. Now, the reason I wrote it in reverse, not like this, is because I'm going to grab this 2 and I'm going to put it over here. And it just makes more sense when it's written like that. Okay, so that makes 250. We're working in friendly tens, right? So this is a friendly 10 here because it's 50 is 5 tens. And then we have 324 and 130. So maybe they're just going to grab that 130 and they're going to do 200 plus 100 is 300 and 50 plus 30 is 80. They can do that mentally. Many of them, not all of them, but many students will know how to do that mentally. Okay, so now we're at 380. So we've done this, and now all we have left is 324. So 380 plus 324. My guess is a lot of them are going to pull out the 300s first. So it's going to end up looking like this, 380, and then 324. And a lot of them are going to join the 300 and the 300. Remember, because it's easiest to hold the largest number mentally, they start there. So 300 plus 300 is 600. And they're going to probably pull out the 20 and 4, and they're probably going to join the 80 and the 20. 80 plus 20 is 100. So right there, that makes 700. And then all they have to do is join the 700 and the 4. So the last thing they have to do is join those guys. So 700 plus 4 is 704. And that's the final answer. That's one way they may approach that. All right. Thanks for giving me some feedback. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.